Guys, the update's... Oh my god! What is that? The update's out and there's something up below that, but I don't like that. Can I see it? What is that? What, the Rizzler? What is... No! Frickin'! Why? What is that? Wait, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait, does that mean I have that? Because I have that. Raise eyebrow moment. What, the Rizzler? What? What is happening? What? Why is that? Wait, hold up. I didn't even see that. What the Sigma? There's pictures. Oh my god. Is that? I can't even tell what that is. That's kitten. That's a bunny and frog. Pug. I can't even see what the Rizzler is. That is. What the Sigma is that thing? That's so blurry. I can't even see it. I don't know what that is. It looks weird. Okay, I've noticed something. It's more vibrant. Why is that? I really want to know why that's that. Because I really want that. I want that jacket. It's so Sigma. It's like Rizzler of Oz looking. Oh, I bet it's bugging out. Or that's like actually a thing. But why is it doing that? I really want... I'm boring you guys. Okay, I'm gonna get a lobby with Brody. And we're gonna check this update out. So I know there's... Is there anything different? I don't see anything different. Because I know the... What is that? I literally can't see it. SO3. They said they were gonna change that, but I don't really think they were. I swear, if he hasn't updated his thing... There's nobody on. Holy moly, chicken bully. There's nobody on. Oh, he's on. Okay. Wait. Don't be on a puppy. Wait, don't tell me. Tell me now. What? Why? Why? Guys, say in the comments. Hey, Brody. Hey, I'm doing the video. Join 23032. Okay. You do. You're so handsome. Join 23032. Bye. Frick you! So I don't really know why, but if you look at this, it says in the capybara set that the deer with that jacket is in it. Do you know why?
Because blue is homosexual.
Wait, what? What? Oh, wait. Normal Cappy? That's new. Wait, am I dumb or is that not new? I could be dumb. Guys, we're gonna go check out the new monster, and it's gonna be so Sigma grinders. You're not even gonna be high looking diddy doo-dah. Okay, Brody.
What?
So they spread it all out. Wait! Let's see if crafting though.
What is crafting?
It's not even out.
Fortnite battle. Look what I got.
Tour lied. What? I don't care. Okay. So let's see what's new.
I care though. It's sick. Shiny.
Here.
It's like in Pokemon. Got that shiny box.
Okay, Brody, get ready or I'm going down. So, I saw on YouTube, it's on Pet Sewers. So, I mean, I wonder if that's bugged, the deer. Because I hope it's not bugged, because I want that.
Wait, what am I doing?
Get ready. Just go, like, get ready and get guns and, like, get...
Oh, can I have one goo?
I'll give you my goo, I just make it.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, man.
What?
I said I'll give you my goo. Here.
Yeah, I need some goo. Okay.
You really don't okay, Brody. Brody! Brody, this is not the This is not the time. Take my goo.
Not the time for the dog to throw up on the floor.
Did he really just throw up?
I can't buy anything. Can you buy me a flashlight? And some shotgun ammo? Hurry up, lock in, bro.
Bro, you be quiet.
You guys gotta realize that Mason's not locked in half of the time. That's not the kind of flight I like. And that's not, I don't have enough goof. Oh wait, no wait, you're actually locked in. Give me that.
Get it for yourself, you idiot.
See, guys, he's just not locked in.
No, you do it the opposite way, bro. No!
He's also
Grab
OCD.
Grab it.
And he has ADHD.
Okay, turn it on. Now put it on.
Have you guys seen the update yet?
Shoot!
Get out of here!
Get out!
What? Kick his bitch ass!
You don't.
We jump in here?
Wait, don't yet. I gotta bring you.
Wait, is it in sewers?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Alright. Whee! Oh my god, I was so angry.
Look, I can see you based on the parade.
Invading. That's what it means, so. Okay, so I'm terrified. Oh, shit! Ah! Ah! You okay, buddy? Oh.
What the fuck was that guy's problem?
You don't see me. Brody, help. Help. Ah! Die! Die, you stupid little person. I do not understand you at all.
Are you gonna heal me or no?
No, I can't, you big bat. Is he right there? Ah! Just respawn, Brody. God, that thing's terrible.
Stop. I'm going in loaded.
Oh.
Wait, did I already put a shotgun on my back? You can have that shotgun. It's a little gift.
Shut up.
Fudge you worm thing!
I love how under his breath he said, "Whoa." Hear it?
It's right there.
So, like, what do we do?
So I'm gonna go on this side, and then I'm gonna shoot these at it.
No, man. No, man. No, man! Okay, man. I don't like that. I'm so scared.
That worked.
Yeah, it's worked so hard. How about... Bye.
Grenade!
Oh, I'm gonna fit. Yeah, I'm gonna fit. Brody, help!
Good work with the grenade, by the way.
Hey, yo.
What the heck is this thing? Larva.
Hey, yo. I hate it.
You. What the fudge?
What is it? Oh my god. Not gonna lie, that look at its beautiful face.
Mason, look at. You can't see. Can you not see? Oh my god, bro. Your head is huge.
Really? Bro, take a picture.
I'm taking a video right now.
I have a big head. Bam!
Wait, don't fight it. Let's just see what it does.
Do I still have a big head?
Yeah.
Why is Big Head so rizzy? I want Big Head
You know
to
what?
big
Screw
head.
this big head.
Ah! Ah! Wait, can I see my big head from? Where's my body? Wait, what? Wait, am I still gonna have a big head?
What the heck? I don't.
Ah! Help!
Oh,
it went away.
your head gets small, bro. Now it's small. No, what the fudge? My like eyes and stuff keep glitching out. Like, oh my god, now I don't have a head. Oh my god, now I don't have eyes. Can you see that?
Now I don't have a head. Now my eyes are gone. Ah!
Now I don't have a head.
No!
Wait, come back to where you don't have a head. Oh, it's right here. Right here. Oh, wait.
Wait, you gotta be. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, this is bugged. This is bugged. I feel like Big Head is gonna be Big Head all over me.
So can you kill him or what? I don't know.
I don't know. This update's like weird.
I'm gonna try to stun him and you do nothing. You blow him up. All right.
That sounds like a greatest plan ever.
It will be.
Shut up. Stop mocking me.
Who's mocking you? Are you schizophrenic?
Shut up. No, the deer skin is mocking me.
So you are schizophrenic.
Shut up. He's right there.
All right, let's go.
No.
The only thing is.
Didn't they say there was gonna be a mining update?
Shots.
Or craft? He's right there. That
Alright.
gives me nightmares.
Alright, he's dead.
He's there! We did it! He didn't give us anything.
I don't feel like we did. I don't feel like we killed him.
Why? Hey. I feel like Big Head's gonna Big Head all over us and like come back. Kill him! What are you doing?
I need another gun.
Where'd he go? Got him like a melody. Ammo.
Nice.
I feel like he's gonna spawn and then we're just gonna get jump scared. So it is killable.
So it's.
I'm guessing it's killable. I'm gonna.
Showed you how to do it.
Definitely killable. Yeah, we showed you how to do it. So, what did you do?
Flashbang plus
2 RPGs.
bazooka equals giant.
Ah!
Bring 2 RPGs.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Brody was like, ah! Oh god. I'm gonna be. Big head is such big head. He's such a. Where's Big Head? Holy moly! Big Head is definitely not dead. Ah! Where's Birdie? He makes that noise like. It's like, oh, he's coming for you. Okay, man. Like, okay, man. I get it. Bro. He's weird. Did you kill him? Oh, you have a big head. So stupid. Or. Okay, man. He dropped a lot of his.
Jeez. Oh my god, bro. I'm just a neck.
You have such a double chin.
Wait, what happens if you eat broccoli with this?
He'll just be big with a big head. Bow. 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 Bow.
Alright, what do I look like?
Wait, that was such a bad laugh. You look so stupid. Eat me, baby. Wait! Wait! I did not mean to say that. Okay, let's go down and get more of those, because I saw a lot on the ground. But first, let's get a flashlight.
And we need to kill him.
I don't think we need to kill him. I'm just getting his goo, and then we're gonna leave. I'm gonna literally kill myself. What did he say, bro? Where did my backpack go? Oh, hey, baby. Sorry, I was late. Backpack. Did his dude despawn? Oh!
Ref, do something! Do something, Ref!
I don't know what to do. Help! Help! No, that messed me up.
Did this mess you up?
Woo! Brody! Big head, please. Oh, hey. Some big head stuff. Okay. More. Nope. Huh. Get up here, Brody. Oh, my neck hurts.
Bro, walk in.
Shut up. It's not that easy.
Oh, wait, you can rest right here. I can't see. Can I have a flashlight? How much farther up? Oh my god.
And after that, there's more. Oh, you're going? I'm so heavy. No! Brody! Daddy, how far am I going? Oh, good. I made it! I'm better! I locked in, and Brody got me through it, but I don't even know where Brody is now, so. You good, bro?
Nope.
Okay, guys. Oh my god. Tomorrow I will be doing a short about the new outfits that are going to be coming out. And hopefully this is real and I get the dang jacket I want. So, yeah.
May I introduce Better Man?
Wow, that's my new... Hello? Hello? Brody,
Yep.
come on.
Fun.
Just...
Don't tell me what to do, Sally.
we're gonna cut into the ending, cause that's basically in the we're gonna cut to the ending. So guys, his headset died, so that will be the end of the video, and I hope you enjoyed. It was pretty funny. I mean, like, that was really...
Alrighty, take your part. Don't worry, I'm alive.
Okay,
Why do I have
so,
no head?
that's gonna be end,
God, I'm a
and
demon
yeah,
now.
I'll see you in the next one.